In today's video, I'll be explaining and showing us how you can claim your free 20 USDT on Bybit. And so if you've not created an account on Bybit, all you just need to do is to go below the description on this video, use the link on the description below, also use the promo code to create an account for yourself. So after creating an account, you'll be asked to verify your account. So once you've verified your account, you can actually verify your account with NIN, a driver's license, or any means of identification. So once you verified your account, you'll be brought to a page like this. So now to claim your free 20 USDT on this platform, all you just need to do is to come over to Reward Hub. So once you come over to Reward Hub, you can actually see a space to claim your 20 USDT, or better still, you can come over to my rewards over here. So once you click on this is your free 20 USDT that you want to actually claim. The essence of this USDT is for you to start trading with it. So once you start trading with it, you will be given opportunities to use this particular 20 USDT to trade with it, which you would not be deducted from maybe your main account or any of your balance on Bybit. All they just need is the 20 USDT to trade for at least 20 days, and in return you can be getting more of this. So now if you're a newbie or you don't know anything about Bybit, all you just need to do is to come over to this icon below. You can see how do I use it. You can come over and you can see they said how do I use it. Make a trade to apply your coupon. If your trade meets the criteria stated in our T and C's, the coupon will be automatically applied. Coupon can be used to offset trading fees for perpetual and future contracts, spot and included. Coupons will be deducted to cover fees prior to your own capital. So even though you want to further more on this, maybe you want to get more details, you can also come over to this icon and read about what are Bybit bonus. If you come over here, you can see that Bybit bonuses can be used as margin. They can also be used to cover trading losses and to offset trading fees for perpetual and future contracts, and so on. So this will actually give you an understanding about how Bybit works and how you can trade to earn on this Bybit platform. Okay, they said what are Bybit coupons? Bybit coupons can be used to offset trading. Okay, we've said this. So now they said how to view my coupon and bonuses. The coupons and bonuses you claim can be found in my rewards. Like I said, always when you go to your reward, like when you create an account, when you go to your reward, you can see your free USDT, 20 USDT to claim. You can also view the balance of your bonuses in my assets. Okay, what if the bonuses coupon did not automatically credit to my account? Bybit bonuses and coupon are usually credited within 2 working days. The calculation of your net fee will start with application of your trading fee discount. So you just have to come over here and get some insights on how to claim your free USDT. So once you click on your USDT over here, you click on use. Once you click on use, now to use your 20 USDT, it is very simple. You can actually use part of your free USDT gotten from this Bybit. All you just need to do is to input the 10 over here and also drop down to select order by value. Once you've selected that, then you confirm that. So once this is being put in place, you just have to come over this green button and click on buy/long. Just click on the buy icon and you have actually claimed your free USDT and your trading will start. And if you meet the criteria like they said, you will be given more of this, and that is how you can actually use this Bybit to claim your free USDT on this platform. I hope this video was helpful. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on post notification. And if you have any questions concerning this video, you can actually drop your questions or comments below the comment box in this video.